Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to MoneyXGrab Channel, the place where we turn dreams into reality. I'm Scott, and today, we're diving into a topic that could change your life. Dreams to reality. A millennial's guide to wealth through investing. Picture this. You're in your 60s, living life on your terms, traveling the world, and doing all the things you love. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it can be your reality. Today, we're going to explore how investing in stocks, real estate, and other assets can make your dreams come true. Let's get started. Segment 1. Why investing matters. To kick things off, let me share a powerful statistic with you. According to a study by the Federal Reserve, the net worth of the average millennial is just over $40,000. Now, that's not bad, but here's the kicker. The average net worth of those who invest is a staggering $440,000. There's a significant difference in net worth between investors and non-investors. What does this tell us? Investing can be a game changer for your financial future. It's not about how much money you have, it's about what you do with it. We probably wonder how much investing matters. Alright, let's dive deeper into why investing matters, and why it can be the ultimate game changer for millennials like you and me. You see, statistics don't lie, and the numbers can be eye-opening. Imagine for a moment that you're an average millennial with a net worth of just over $40,000. Now, that's not bad at all, considering the challenges we face in today's world. But here's the exciting part. When we look at those who've taken the plunge into investing, the story takes a remarkable turn. Now, let that sink in for a moment. It's not just about being lucky or having a massive initial bank balance. It's about taking deliberate steps towards securing your financial future. It's about understanding the power of your money when it's put to work. So, what does this tell us? It's a resounding affirmation that investing can be a game changer for your financial future. It's not about how much money you have right now. It's about what you do with it that counts. It's about making your money work as hard as you do, and it's about setting a course for financial freedom. The journey to financial independence starts here, and it starts now. You have the potential to transform your financial landscape and pave the way for a future filled with opportunities, security, and the freedom to live life on your terms. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of wealth building through investing? I know I am, and I'm thrilled to be on this adventure with you. Stay tuned, because we're about to unleash the secrets that can turn your financial dreams into a reality. Segment 2. Stock market investing. Let's talk about stocks. The stock market has been one of the most powerful wealth-building tools in history. Did you know that if you had invested just $1,000 in Amazon when it went public in 1997, it would be worth over $1.5 million today? Don't worry if you're not Warren Buffett. You don't need to be. There are plenty of easy ways to start investing in stocks today, like using investment apps or robo-advisors. The meteoric rise of Amazon stock is astronomical. Yes, you heard that right. Over $1 million from a mere $1,000 investment. Now, you might be thinking, I'm no Warren Buffett or Elon Musk, how can I possibly do that? Well, the good news is you don't have to be a financial genius to get started. Millionaires such as Warren Buffett and Tesla's Elon Musk really knows how to get their stocks up in recent years. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the stock market, there are plenty of accessible and user-friendly ways to get started. You don't need a fancy Wall Street office or a crystal ball to succeed. All you need is a willingness to learn and a bit of patience. In today's digital age, you can begin your stock market journey right from your smartphone or computer. Investment apps and robo-advisors have revolutionized the game, making it easier than ever for everyday folks like you and me to invest in the stock market. Montage of investment apps and robo-advisors often help in this process. These tools offer guidance, automate your investments, and provide valuable insights to help you make informed decisions. They're like having a financial advisor in your pocket, working tirelessly to grow your wealth. Oftentimes robo-advisors' algorithm at work. So, whether you're interested in blue-chip stocks, tech giants, or emerging industries, the stock market offers a world of opportunities to diversify your investments and set the stage for your financial success. Montage of various stock market sectors can provide greater benefits. The key takeaway here is that stock market investing is not reserved for the elite or the super wealthy. It's a tool that anyone can use to build wealth, secure their financial future, and achieve their goals. Vision board of financial goals and dreams. So, my friends, if you've ever dreamed of financial freedom, if you've ever aspired to take control of your destiny, the stock market is your ticket to that journey. It's a thrilling adventure filled with ups and downs, but with the right knowledge and mindset, you can conquer it. Stay tuned because, in this series, we'll dive even deeper into the world of stocks, revealing strategies, tips, and success stories that will inspire and empower you to embark on this exciting journey of stock market investing. Your financial future begins now, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this thrilling ride. Segment 3. Real Estate Investing. Now, let's switch gears to real estate. Owning property can be a fantastic way to build wealth. According to the National Association of Realtors, the median existing home price increased by 23.4% in 2020 alone. Over the years, real estate price growth has increased. Investing in real estate can provide passive income, tax benefits, and long-term appreciation. So, whether it's rental properties, REITs, or real estate crowdfunding, there's a real estate investment option for you. Owning property isn't just about having a roof over your head. It's a powerful tool that can transform your financial landscape. Investing in real estate isn't just about buying a property and hoping its value goes up. It's about strategic decisions that can provide you with not only financial security but also a stream of passive income. Streams of income flowing into a piggy bank. Let's talk about the perks of real estate investing. First and foremost, it offers you the opportunity to generate passive income. Imagine having a property that pays you rent every month, even while you sleep. That's the beauty of rental properties. They provide you with a steady cash flow that can supplement your day job or, in some cases, replace it entirely. Visual. Monthly rent checks stacking up. But that's not all. Real estate investing comes with another incredible benefit: tax advantages. The tax code is full of incentives for real estate investors, including deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and even depreciation. These tax benefits can significantly reduce your overall tax liability and put more money in your pocket. Now, let's talk about the big picture: long-term appreciation. Over time, real estate has historically appreciated in value. While it's not guaranteed, the odds are in your favor when you consider that the world's population is growing, and people will always need a place to live. So, whether you're interested in becoming a landlord by owning rental properties, investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, or participating in real estate crowdfunding, there's a real estate investment option that suits your goals and risk tolerance. The key is to educate yourself, understand the market, and have a clear strategy in place. Real estate investing can open doors to financial freedom and long-term wealth that you might have never imagined. Segment 4. Diversification. It's not just about stocks and real estate. Diversification is key. A study by Vanguard found that diversifying your investments across different asset classes can significantly reduce risk while preserving returns. By spreading your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets, you can create a resilient portfolio that can withstand market fluctuations. Alright, let's dive deep into the financial strategy that can make all the difference in your investment journey: diversification. It's not just a buzzword. It's a powerful concept that can transform the way you build wealth. Imagine your investment portfolio as a beautiful mosaic of financial assets, each piece contributing to your overall financial picture. This strategy isn't just a theory, it's backed by solid research. A study by Vanguard, one of the world's largest investment management companies, found that diversifying your investments across different asset classes can be a game changer. So, why is diversification so important? Well, it's like having a safety net for your investments. Here's how it works. When you diversify your portfolio, you spread your investments across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. This creates a buffer against the ups and downs of any single asset class. Picture this. The stock market might experience a turbulent ride, but your diversified portfolio isn't solely dependent on stocks. It also includes other assets that may not react the same way to market fluctuations. This approach significantly reduces the risk of your portfolio taking a nosedive during market downturns. And here's the exciting part. While it helps protect your investments, diversification doesn't mean sacrificing returns. In fact, research has shown that a diversified portfolio can often preserve or even enhance returns compared to putting all your eggs in one basket. It's like having a well-balanced meal for your financial health. So, what does all of this mean for you? It means that by diversifying your investments, you can create a resilient portfolio that can withstand market turbulence while still working hard to grow your wealth over time. Whether you're a conservative investor looking for stability or someone with an appetite for higher risk and reward, diversification allows you to tailor your portfolio to your specific goals and risk tolerance. The bottom line is this: diversification isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy. It's a powerful tool that you can wield to your advantage, protecting your investments and paving the way for long-term financial success. So, if you've ever wondered how to safeguard your investments and navigate the often unpredictable financial markets, diversification is the answer. Stay with us in this series because we'll delve even deeper into diversification strategies, helping you craft a portfolio that's as unique as your financial goals. Your journey to financial freedom is about to become even more exciting as you harness the power of diversification. Your wealth-building adventure is just beginning, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Segment 5. Starting small and consistency. Here's a secret. You don't need a fortune to start investing. In fact, investing small amounts consistently over time can yield incredible results. The power of compounding can turn your small contributions into substantial wealth. Remember, every dollar you invest today is a dollar working for your future self. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Segment 6. Risk management. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: risk. Investing does come with risks, but it's all about managing them wisely. Diversification, as we mentioned earlier, is one way to mitigate risk. Also, educate yourself, have a long-term mindset, and don't let short-term market fluctuations deter you. Many successful investors have weathered multiple economic storms to achieve their goals. Segment 7. The emergency fund. Building wealth is important, but so is financial security. Before you dive into investing, make sure you have an emergency fund. Financial experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. An emergency fund acts as a safety net, so you don't have to dip into your investments when unexpected expenses arise. Segment 8. Taking action. It's time to take action. Start by setting clear financial goals. Do you want to buy a home, retire early, or travel the world? Your goals will guide your investment strategy. Then, open an investment account, do your research, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from financial advisors or experienced investors. Remember, you're investing in your future self. Conclusion. So there you have it, future millionaires. Investing is the key to unlocking a brighter financial future. Whether you're investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets, the journey starts with that first step. Let's rewrite the financial narrative for millennials. It's not about avocado toast. It's about smart choices and disciplined investing. Your dreams are within reach, and with the right mindset and strategy, you can achieve them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow millennials who need a dose of financial inspiration. Remember, your future is waiting, and the time to start investing is now. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep dreaming, keep investing, and keep building your wealth. Like, share, comments. and subscribe to our channel.